Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a decadent chocolate fudge cake. Check the description box below for the recipe. Firstly, you want to put an egg in the mixing bowl and add sugar to it. Cream these two ingredients together for a total of 4 minutes until it's light and fluffy. After mixing for a total of 4 minutes, you want to stop your mixer. By now, your mixture should look very pale. Add oil to it and soften butter. You want to cream all ingredients together for another 2 minutes. Add the full cream milk to the mixture, and you also want to cream this for another minute. Add yogurt. Combine all dry ingredients together except for the cocoa powder and coffee. Add the cocoa powder and coffee to the hot boiling water, and you want to make sure you give it a very good stir until there is no lump in the mixture. A dash of vanilla flavor. And then you add the cocoa mixture to the batter. You want to blend this until it is well combined. Add the dry ingredients and combine until it is smooth. I like to pass my batter through the sieve to collect any lump that may have formed during the mixing process. While the cake is in the oven, I like to get started with my chocolate ganache. Pour the dark chocolate into the bowl and add whipping cream to it. Warm this up in the microwave for 1 minute. Mix this together with a spatula until the chocolate is completely melted. Add a knob of butter and mix this until it is dissolved and well combined. Set this aside until it cools down completely. So also my cake loaf has cooled down for about 25 minutes. You want to pick up the ganache and add it directly on top of the loaf cake. After doing this, I put this in the fridge for 2 hours to set. You can finish this off by either dusting icing sugar or cocoa powder directly on top of it. I promise you, this is the best chocolate cake you'll ever have. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Remember to like, tag and share. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you have